How to turn off captions on YouTube Shorts. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your YouTube account is updated to its latest version. So just go to the search bar on the Play Store and you can see there's the option of update over here. It means my app needs an update and there's updates available. So I'm just going to tap on update and wait until it gets updated. Now, after getting updated, I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the homepage of YouTube. Now, make sure that you are logged in. After that, tap on the shorts section at the bottom of the screen and you can see any shorts. So here you can see a short with captions in it. So how do I turn off the captions? So I'm just going to tap on three dotted lines and you can see the option of captions over here. So tap on that and then tap on turn off captions. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.